So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn on color correction on your device. So let's get it started. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your settings. Now scroll down below and tap on accessibility, which is available on the bottom of your screen. Now from here you can see the option of color and motion, so tap on it, and on the first option you can see the option of color correction, so again tap on it and scroll down below. Then on the right side of the screen you can see the option of enable and disable icons, so tap on it. Now see, you have successfully enabled color correction on your device. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.